take off your shot so I can do it good. And then I take it off and him do it good. Him say my shot say I hold him back. So I laugh. Anyways, him say a finger me and him say, you ready for you fuck? I'ma say, eh? Him say, you ready? I'ma say, hmm. And then, brother, I'ma do that, me did shy, but me did want him.
But me say do it. No, no, Yes, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm back again right about now. And we have to delve into two videos I have to show you. You see, my viewers and subscribers, who remember Slickiana, the victim that has been murdered by Russian Patterson. You see me? He was shot and killed this morning. He was shot and killed this morning, my viewers and subscribers, by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You get me? And to be honest, the behavior of the people, I would not consider it as good. But to be honest, on my basis, me as a man, I would think that the police would be like, yeah, the reason why them kill him is because
Meanwhile,
of his
2
own
hours
intention.
later.
Because yeah, I think one of them must be thinking like, oh, are you kill a girl? Yeah, that can come up in a man's head. You see me? That can run through a man's thoughts. I get my viewers and subscribers. So to be honest, there is many ways to think of this again. You see me? And right about now, I have to show you some video on what happened and in the community, my viewers and subscribers. So right about now, I am going to show you this video and
Eventually,
delve into another video of school, a young school girl, and a leaked voice call. Okay, my viewers and subscribers, and a leaked voice note or a voice call, one out of the two. But I'm going to let you all listen, both of them. Tune in. Viewers and subscribers, you see this video when we go this video and leak voice note when we gonna listen of this young school girl and the taxi man and that taxi man. Just give me phone with us because to be honest, want to know if you listen, the voice note and tell me phone thoughts on this voice note. You see me in the comment section. You see me my viewers and subscribers. So let me show you the viewers the video right now. So watch this.
I'm gonna do one laugh, guys. I'm gonna do one laugh, but girl, so else, so him did they appear, cause him say my life right infield, so him did they appear. No, so him say him a come down and be so I say cool don't take long hurry up. But the outer show him I did a wait and him must say me I give 10 minutes. One buck that 10 minutes. Him take reach up here now. Girl, him take 10 minutes reach up here. Reach up at school. So I see taxi him stop right at my foot. I'ma just jump in a car. Then him reverse and him take up some other pit him bring them garbage and thing and then him never go all the way up there. Him go all the way up there but he never pick up nobody because him the one me and him have a little time. So him reverse back and him Me and him go round at the road this so yeah, and then we find one spot up one hill and we go up at the hill there and we did it. First we did that talk and him did that. We did that talk about things relationship wise, oh we fuck up, oh we just did that talk, girl. Then 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 after that, him dey there and him dey play some because we dey talk about sex, that about sex at one point. So everything changed after that because him start play next start of the blood clot. I'm there, me a skin up. Girl, me a skin up me teeth different. So him say, Leah, I'm curious. I say, we curious about him. So I'm curious whether I can know. Yeah, I'm curious about your pum pum bum. I feel it. I must say, I did it, me hesitate the whole time. Me hesitate the whole long. So I did it, me hesitate. And so, I finally feel comfortable. So, him there, and him there, and him never did a finger me, but him did a rock pum pum pum. I would not tell him to stop because that way it feel. That say him no, him pushing finger in on me. When him pushing finger in on me, girl, you want hear the boy? The boy say, "Bumbo clad." And me a dead, I dead, girl. Jesus Christ, me a dead. Then, then. Then him someday, then him push him wood na me and no, not him wood rat. Then him put him finger na me and him did a finger me girl. This boy can finger. You see like would feel as so him finger feel like him can finger your fuck. I never do want more girl. I never do want more, but I never do more. So no, him did it and you want hear him say yeah. So no, first thing say take off your shots so I can do it good and then I take it off and him that do it good. Him say my shots they are hold him back. Him say I laugh. Anyways, him did a finger me and him say, you ready for you fuck? I must say, Him say, you ready? I say, and then brother I did that I did shy but I did one thing. So no um him say me for turn on. Him say me for turn back way. So I turn back way and him pushing him hood girl. Him hood little bit up going. When him pushing him hood and Jesus Christ stayed ali for tell you how the boy fuck me Jesus. Hey, me a scream and bawl and cry, in a one, Me a scream, bawl and cry in a one. Me literally a scream, bawl and cry in a one, girl. To it is nice. Back at then mission, girl. That dinner where I come foot in the ear. My foot them on one side of the door and the other they open at the ceiling. And why did and why I straight then him say and then no then him come and then wipe it off and everything and weird little then him some up make him would get back stiff. Him would get back stiff every fast. Him would get back stiff fast every but I feel like I me do that. Feel like I me because him did stay like I me do it. So so him would get back stiff now. So him push him no yeah missionary would do him push him back in with him push him back in with and him start fuck me and I was screaming then back channel him start woke me again. I was you was your me will on the car seat. You was oh me will on the car seat Jada. Then you say for riding in Mako I'm riding I was born in a sport family stop come for the year week. So my stop him did a fuck me while me did the band top and I feel good and for my love when one will cause I feel good. But film good is a film one is great. Not good enough. Great. Great. And him lead them guys. Him lead them. Him lead them guys. Him lead them soft and nice. So on the party that is in the middle of action family, them that cars, the boy lips off, you know, him lips off your friend, bro. But it's nice. Him nice and him funny cause of you laugh, you make me laugh.